A former Minneapolis officer's lawsuit against the city and its police chief is in the hands of the state appeals court. Tyler Timberlake was ousted from MPD 6 months after he was hired in 2023. It came after video spread of Timberlake kneeling and using a stun gun on an unarmed man while working for his previous police department in Virginia. Timberlake sued, claiming the Minneapolis police chief was fully aware of that incident when he was hired, but fired him months later anyway. Renee Cooper has the latest from court.
On Wednesday, attorneys for Chief Brian O'Hara in the city took a second swing at trying to get that case dismissed. A district court judge denied a similar motion last summer, and they're trying to reverse that.
Does he want it?
Body camera video captured in Virginia in 2020 shows Tyler Timberlake tasing, kneeling on, and striking an unarmed man. He's ultimately acquitted of assault charges, and 3 years later, MPD hires him. Then, the video hits Twin Cities airwaves.
I was aware of the hire, but not of the video.
That response by Chief Brian O'Hara to journalists is central in this defamation lawsuit filed by Timberlake in December 2023, alleging the chief made public false statements about what he knew and when. Nearly a year and a half later,
Chief O'Hara did not defame Tyler Timberlake.
Attorney for the chief, Vicky Ruby, making her first on-camera remarks. Ruby would not take questions, but in court,
please rise.
She argued it doesn't matter what the chief said to the press because his speech is protected by so-called absolute privilege.
That is a doctrine that exists so that the public receives information and that they have the right to know, so that they can be informed.
What the city and Chief O'Hara want to do is cut off all litigation. They basically say that the chief should get this monumental piece of power, which is absolute privilege. That means absolute immunity.
The application of the absolute privilege is cabined to limited circumstances. And the question that has been raised by your esteemed colleague is, what motivated these statements? Were they policy level statements? Were they directed by someone?
Those are some of the questions that judges here at the Court of Appeals will be weighing when deciding whether to dismiss the case or let it move forward in district court. That ruling is expected sometime in the next 3 months. Now, if he ultimately wins, Timberlake is seeking monetary damages from the city. In St. Paul, Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.